When China's concentration camps first opened, they were guinea pigging and AI surveillance tech used on Uyghurs. Now they've taken it all across China. Watch this.
This primary school in China
蓝色是走神了，
know exactly when someone isn't paying attention.
白色就是你可能跟网络还没有连接好。
These headbands measure each student's level of concentration. The information is then directly sent to the teacher's computer and to parents. Classrooms have robots that analyze students' health and engagement levels. Students wear uniforms with chips that track their locations. There are even surveillance cameras that monitor how often students check their phones or yawn during classes. For this 5th grade class, the day begins with putting on a brain wave sensing gadget. The device is made in China and has 3 electrodes, 2 behind the ears and 1 on the forehead.
Would you want your kids or yourself to be tracked in this manner? Leave your comments and tell me what you think.